Hello guys, this is Jason again from JR Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. Today I'm here in Parker in a beautiful neighborhood where I came like a month ago. That was a realtor who found me on Google and she sent me all the information of the house, sent me here to check it out the floor and see what I can do to help the new customer in this house with the floor. So after I did the consultation, or not a consultation, I came here just to check it out the whole floor. She put agree with the owner. They like the price that I gave them for a screen and recall, and I'm here and we set up the day for today. So I'm gonna flip it up the camera and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. All right guys, look at this. It's a beautiful day, beautiful neighborhood. And here right now there is another workers here because they are trying to take away from the house so much garbage here in the house. But anyway guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing. Here, look at this. It's a pre-finished hardwood floor that we have here. So there are a lot of ghost mud, micro scratches, as you can see. Look at this. So all this with the process of a screen and recall, we are gonna fix it and of course get a better improvement to this floor just for the new customer. As you can see, it's this of the whole area. Look at this. So we are gonna be doing a screen and recall in all this floor, and also here downstairs, those stairs we are gonna be doing clean and buff. All these two landings, stairs, and this floor here in the basement, they are gonna get clean and buff. We are gonna clean all this floor today. Let me see. So, yep, that is gonna take a while to clean all this floor and do the screen and recall. So guys, stay tuned because that is gonna be a small transformation in the house. Look at how this floor is gonna look after we apply the finish. Of course, the customer decided to go with matte finish, which is gonna not be so shiny, and it's gonna look great. And look at this. Oh yeah. We're back here after we let it dry, and look at how this floor is looking. Such a big improvement. You guys can see the beginning of the video on how this floor was looking before. I did a lot of color correction. There was a lot of micro scratches, scuff mark, everything. Look at how this floor looks now with the matte finish that the customer decided to go with. Oh wow, such a big improvement, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is the room. Oh yeah. Definitely matte finish and satin finish are my favorite to go with most of the time. So right now this is the main floor, and of course we already did clean above to the stairs, all the stairs and the basement. So look at this. This is luxury vinyl plank that also we do deep cleaning to this kind of floor, and it looks so much better, natural color that is coming from the factory. So definitely is so clean, this floor, after a lot of abuse that this floor has in the past. So anyway, guys, final result, very happy customer for sure with the clean and bath that we did here in the basement, and the screen and recoat that we did in this main floor. Alright guys, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.